Hello friends, I am Professor Aswal Sir from KKV College Chanduri. Today we are seeing that the cost and work accounting paper second on TYBCom class. So chapter number second is accounting of overheads part first. In this chapter we have studied that the what is meant by prime cost in SYBCom class. Already studied that the prime cost, basic cost, factory cost, administrative cost, cost of production, profit, how to calculate profit, various types of concept we are already studied that. But in this TYBCom syllabus, accounting of overhead, this is the most important part in this syllabus. The we are seeing that the first one is part first, so classification of overhead, allocation wise, apportionment wise, reapportionment wise, and absorption wise. Such in order to ascertain the manufacturing cost of goods to produced, which is prerequisite to determine the cost of sales, fixation of revision of selling price, etc., it is necessary to add the production overhead to the prime cost. That means prime cost plus production overhead is equal to manufacturing cost of goods produced. Therefore production overhead is equal to manufacturing cost minus prime cost. Actually production overhead is equal to factory material cost, factory indirect labor cost plus factory indirect expenses. From the observe that the production overhead represent all indirect cost incurred in the production to goods, and this is the addition to the direct cost or prime cost. This production overhead cannot be allocated directly to the cost unit like the direct material cost and direct wages. Therefore a systematic procedure is to be followed to account for production overhead, classification and allocation of overhead, allocation and apportionment of overhead, reapportionment of service department, and absorption of overhead. Overhead accounting is the most important factor in this syllabus. Direct costs are charged to the directly to the cost center or cost unit without any difficulty, but this is not possible in overhead cost. Distribution of overhead cost to cost unit is one of the most complicated problems of cost accounting. This is because overhead cost cannot be identified which individual cost units, and there are no accounting means exact distribution. Therefore such costs are analyzed and distributed to various cost centers and cost units on an arbitrary basis. For example given, it is not possible to exact calculate the amount of rent that should be charged to a particular cost unit, and thus it has to be distributed on the same arbitrary basis. The cost accountant is constantly searching for equitable basis to distribute overhead cost to units and division of business enterprise, and quite often he needed to exercise his own judgment in this regards. Example given, he may absorption the various steps accounting of overheads. This is a allocation of overhead. So first one, allocation of overhead is the allotment of a whole item of cost to cost unit or cost center, whether they may be production cost centers or service cost center. That is example, indirect wages of production department A is allocated to department A only. Similarly, wages of service department yes is to be allocated to department yes only. The second one is apportionment of overhead. Apportion is the allotment of production of item of cost to cost center or cost unit on a suitable basis after they are collected under separate standing order numbers. The it may be a basis of service rendered by the particular item of expenses to different department or by survey method. Sometimes the basis will be the ability to pay method. Then third one is the reapportionment method. The service department do not engage directly in the production of goods and service, but they render valuable services to the production department which produced goods and service, and it is necessary to distribute the cost of service department to production department on some suitable basis so that the product output job etc bear ultimately an equitable share of cost. The service department is called as secondary distribution or secondary overhead distribution summary. And then last one is absorption of overhead. The absorption of overhead is a charging overhead of individual product or job is known as absorption. Thus purpose behind absorption is that expenses allocated and apportioned to department or cost center should be absorbed in cost of output of the given period. The next one is the basis of apportionment. This chart is most important in this chapter. The common item of factory overhead and the basis of apportionment, like a rent and rates and taxes, distributed as a floor of area occupied. Depreciation of factory building is the floor area occupied. Repairs and maintenance of plant, this is the capital cost of plant and machinery. Indirect material distributed as a actual. Lighting distributed as a number of light point. Insurance of building distributed as a floor area occupied. Supervision charges of number of workers. Many expenses allocated on the basis of apportionment in this chapter. We are very in this chapter is very important in this syllabus. So thank you all of you.